Welcome to our channel. Today we how to increase Bitcoin Cash awareness with Kraken, full guide step by step clearly. To increase Bitcoin Cash awareness with Kraken, start by creating an account on Kraken's platform. Visit the Kraken website and click on the sign up button. Fill in the required information, including your email address and a secure password. Verify your email to activate your account. Once signed in, navigate to the Funding tab to deposit Bitcoin Cash. Choose the appropriate method for depositing funds, ensuring it is suitable for your needs. Follow the instructions provided to complete the deposit process. After funding your account, go to the Markets section. Look for Bitcoin Cash and evaluate its current market trends and performance analytics. Consider acquiring Bitcoin Cash if you believe in its potential for growth. Next, create informative content that highlights the benefits and features of Bitcoin Cash. Utilize blog posts, social media updates, and videos to communicate your message. Collaborate with influencers or experts in the cryptocurrency space to widen your reach. Attend cryptocurrency conferences or online webinars to network with like-minded individuals. Engage with online forums and communities to share your insights about Bitcoin Cash. Monitor your outreach efforts using tools for tracking engagement and reach metrics. Adjust your strategy based on audience feedback and engagement levels. Ensure your content remains accurate, relevant, and easy to understand for all viewers. Regularly update your audience on any developments or news related to Bitcoin Cash and Kraken. Finally, foster a community around Bitcoin Cash to encourage discussions and collaboration. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.